Okay, in this short video, I'm just going to run through very quickly an overview of how we help this solar electrical business in Perth generate $105,000 worth of revenue over the last 3 weeks using our sales and marketing system at Tradie Web Guys. Now, first and foremost, just to let you know, we are running marketing for these guys, so we're generating their leads. I'm going to run you through some results really quickly so you can actually see, and I'll talk you through some of these, so what I actually mean, because some of this terminology can be a little bit jargony, but anyway, and then help you better understand, I suppose, the processes and the levers that we pull in the back end to make this become a reality. So first and foremost, I'm just going to gravitate straight away to the new leads. So we're obviously generating leads for these clients every week. You know, this week he got 22 leads, this week 21, this week 36. But importantly down here, this is where it gets interesting, right? So when we talk about quality leads, high quality leads, like to be able to get 11 quotes out of 22 leads, that's a very good conversion when we're talking about Facebook meta-based ads, right? Off those, he's had 4 confirmations, 4 site visits that have been booked, and 1 job closed with a total value of $6,000. So not amazing, but pretty good, right? Obviously, a lot of these leads then roll over into the next week and the next week because there's sales cycle to consider. So not every client or not every lead is going to close that week. Keep that in mind when you're watching this. In the next week here, we got 12 quotes out, 3 verbal confirmations, 2 site visits booked, and 5 jobs over the line to a value of $67,000. And then in week 3 here, we've had 22 quotes go out with 3 verbals, 2 site visits booked, 3 jobs closed with $31,000 revenue collected that week. And there's another week obviously coming, so I haven't done the video on that yet, but anyway, it will be just as good, no doubt. Okay, now quickly, the levers that we pull to make this happen. First of all, we have an amazing process around high quality lead generation through very thought out, methodical, tested creatives. So the ads are very, very high performing and they work very well. Now, that's great. What happens off the back of that? We have people in the business that we call sales executives that actually manage this, every single one of these leads, and are even doing the quoting for the client. So we have built out the systems for the customer, and essentially our sales executives will go through, they will manage and nurture all of the leads. They will do all of the quoting. Essentially, they will be presenting the customer with the quote for it to be sold. This has been an absolute game changer for our clients because it means they can get out, they can spend their time better running around, visiting clients, project managing jobs, quality controlling jobs, and essentially all of the lead management and things like that is kind of done and dusted by us for them. So I will say this, we have very limited capacity with this program, and if it's something that interests you, you need to head across to tradiewebguys.com.au or head to the link if you're seeing this across socials or whatever it might be, book in a time to have a chat. We can only take so many. And so hopefully it's you. If not, that's cool as well. We're working with solar businesses. We're working with roofers. Those guys are crushing it right now. Renovation businesses, bathrooms, kitchens, that kind of thing. Let us know if you want to have a chat and we'll love to work with you. Ciao.